Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Hello guys. So today we will dictate the advanced phraseography by Sir Kailash Chandra part 3. So get ready for the dictation at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. They would be able to. They have been to improve the part and parcel of those who are railway budget to meet the national life of those who have. We do not say, first of all, political life. In position, we do not see. I can assure you, social life, economic life, later on, from my mind, in a position, in a better position, to my mind, if it is public life. I am not in a position in this respect with each other, year to year, year after year, much better than in some aspects. In some respects, we are in a position, they are in a position. In certain respects, what should be the, in spite of, we are not in a position. In many respects, lakhs of rupees instead of, and I think the, with respect to the, crores of rupees, in respect of, need not be, are being, on their own, to look after the, that he would, as you know, throughout the country, looks after the, take into account, inside the country, up till now, Congress party, ruling party, in favor of the, outside the country, taken into account, taking into account, parts of India, in relation to the, political parties, opposition parties, in line with the, in many parts of India, will be taken into account, would be taken into account, parts of the world, financial resources, for some time, at some time, capital resources, in many parts of the world, during the last, for the first time, human resources, in different parts of the country, during the last year, during the last few years, in different parts of the world, mineral resources, at the same time, from time to time, material resources, in many parts of the country, during the last few months, during the last few weeks, in other parts of the country, natural resources, unity of India, who has not been much more than in other parts of the world during the last few days, during the last 5 days, 5 years, large parts of the country, here and there, which has not been let us be. Here or there, large parts of the world during the last 5 year plan is being done by all means. Point out Himachal Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, pointed out by no means has taken place. Uttar Pradesh before me by means of in the minds of the I would say that whenever there is before us Tripura, Andhra Pradesh, it will have to be become necessary in some cases, in many cases, became necessary on the subject. Anybody else, nobody else on this subject. Rules and regulations in certain cases, in certain other cases, so as to make the it may be that the as has been as has been mentioned in course of time. I would like to know rural industries, large scale industries in collaboration with the in due course of time. It has been mentioned, I have mentioned in the course of the in cooperation with the small scale industries, cottage industries in the near future to deal with the will be mentioned above mentioned in dealing with the we have not been cottage and small scale industries, they should have to be dealt with. I thank you should have been should not have been. Once again I would therefore I tell you treasury benches as far as the there again should not have been. I am glad that the here again they would be able to find out. So this is the part 3 of advanced phrasography. Subscribe the channel for latest updates and press the bell icon. Thank you.